Hello everyone, welcome to Winresolver. In this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 11 permanently. Unfortunately, if you head over to Uninstall Apps Settings page, the option to uninstall Edge is grayed out. So we'll be using a free nifty tool named Winhance to achieve this. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Open your browser and head over to this page. This will take you to Winhance download page. Click Download Winhance. Once you get the setup file, head over to the download file location and run the setup file. Follow on-screen instructions like I did in the video. Once installation completes, the app will open automatically, and this is how the app interface looks like. Under Windows Apps and Features, you will see the first section as Windows Apps. Here you will get list of all the Microsoft apps that comes pre-installed in Windows 11. Here, wait for few seconds. Once the WinGet is updated to latest version, we are good to go. But before that, we need to download another browser on the PC to keep browsing the web after Edge is uninstalled. You can download whatever you prefer. I will download Chrome. The process is simple. Head over to the Chrome download page, click on the download Chrome button, double click to run the online installer of the Chrome and let it download and install the latest version. Once installation completes, you will see this screen. Either select sign in or stay signed out. Next, click on the set as default button. Instantly default app setting will open. Here on the top, click on the set default button next to make Google Chrome default browser. Also, if this notification appear, click yes to continue. Now you are all set. Again open the Winhance app and locate and select Microsoft Edge. The green dot next to it indicate that after application is removed, it can be reinstalled. So you are on the safer side. Click uninstall, selected item. You will see this dialog box. Now here you need to keep in mind that after uninstalling Edge, whenever Microsoft release, it will reinstall automatically. If you want the removal process to be permanent, leave the save removal scripts to ensure continuous removal checked. If you want the keep window alive, then uncheck this option and click continue. This will start uninstalling Microsoft Edge and it's going to take few seconds. Once done, you can see Edge icon is gone, and if you search the Edge, it no longer appears in the results. So this is how to uninstall Edge permanently. At any point you want to reinstall the Edge, just open browser and visit Microsoft Edge download page. Click on the download button, double click to run the online installer of the Edge and let it download and install. Once done, it will open. But keep in mind that this is possible only if you have unchecked the save script option in the previous step. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.